Okay, so we woke up really late start. We slept in. These are the ears that I brought for the trip. I'm gonna be wearing these ones probably today. Reason being is because I have my Hawaiian shirt on. So hopefully it looks good. If not, then I might not wear it. And Brian's getting ready. He's almost done. But it's gonna be us today. Probably try to wear this today. We'll see how it works. Yay! So I'm at EPCOT and we're sitting at Electric Umbrella by Mouse Gears. And I got them. That's building. So number weird. Me and you. I'm walking through EPCOT. It's really like busy today. So I don't know if we're gonna get on any rides or things, but I'm thinking about going to Magic Kingdom. We'll see. Okay guys, so I'm in Innovations, or at least what used to be. It is so busy today. Like the wait times are crazy, like 50, 60, 70, even like 90 minutes here in EPCOT. You probably pulled it out like that. So I stopped in here because I got a couple things. So I'm just putting it in my backpack for now. Super crowded. But it is the flower festival. So I'll walk around and I'll show you guys what there is. Just trying to zip this up. It's taking a little bit. Oh yeah, that's definitely a big backpack right now. This is what I'm carrying around. Okay. Let's see. Can I go out this way? No, we'll go out the other way and I'll show you guys what used to be Innovations. Pretty much it. Ooh, look at the ground. Yeah, there's not too much in here, but it's a nice little rest area. It has air conditioning. Oh, here's my glasses. I'm gonna have a struggle here putting my glasses on. Oh, I didn't. Holy cow. So 90 minutes for the regular line. And single ride is 35.
Welcome. There's not a bird garden. I like how this Did you see it? Look at these. That is good.
Let me guys know how many butterflies you see here. I'll give you a hint.
Tiny little thing. Well, yeah, it is. You can actually put a bush where you can put up blocks.
You guys see the hidden Mickey? Leave a comment where it's at. I think there's a couple of them actually.
Oh, and that flower.
I might go to Japan and get Brian a little couple things. We shall see. Here's some merch for the flower and garden. Ooh, this is like all strawberries. Oh look, there's like, okay, don't have enough hands. Those are like chopsticks. These are super cute. It's not focusing. That's cool. There we go. Oh yeah, he likes these, so gotta get him those. You guys like Hello Kitty. No, I'm not going to pronounce this because I think Brian told me to say kawaii. Because kawaii is ugly, or no, kawaii is ugly? So I guess I was confused. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm talking about. part of Disney. Break time, so I have to head over to the monorail so I can meet Brian here. Let's see what they have. Oh yeah. These are crazy. I think there's like money on there already. Bambi. Oh, there's Little Mermaid. Ooh. Want them all.
I know,
it's like
they're so cute.
I need to walk away. This is super cute. That's really cute. How much is this? $19.99. Okay. I really like. $4,000. Oh, look at this. This is cool. Oh my gosh. This is my 300. You guys. That is so cool. These are just a whole bunch of prints. Ooh, that one's cool. How much is it? 40 bucks.
That one's really cool.
That one's pretty. The Sandlot like this. 40. Hatbox dude. Oh look, you can probably even just do this. And then you can just get it shipped. Never found anything that's shipping though. I wonder if they have any here. Search. Or was our only ones? Bummer. Spaceship Earth is going to have a 2.5-year refurbishment. That's probably why it's so long. It says 20 minutes. I don't know if it's 20 minutes because it's all the way over there. I'm gonna go to the shop first and I'll see. Okay, so I opted out. We're taking the bus. And we're gonna go to just be Brian, because I don't know where he's at. I think he's done, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna take the bus to Hollywood Studios right away. and just kind of hang out there because did a lot over here already. I checked the wait times, super long, especially even for just like single rider and stuff. I know that Spaceship Earth was only 20 minutes, but the line seemed a little bit longer. So I'm just gonna head on over there, maybe walk around, hang out, do something until he's ready or can meet me. I have to walk all the way to 10. So a lot of walking today. I might have to change my shoes. Okay. See you on the bus.